I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crème brûlée without vanilla extract. First, let's explore some fantastic alternatives to achieve that rich, aromatic flavor. You can infuse your cream with delightful spices like cinnamon sticks or star anise, or brighten it with fresh citrus zest. Another excellent option is to use a tiny amount of almond extract, which offers a distinct, sophisticated note. These simple substitutions will ensure your dessert is just as delicious and memorable. To infuse your cream effectively, gently warm it over medium-low heat with your chosen spices or zest. Avoid boiling, just bring it to a simmer. Once warm, remove it from the heat and let it steep for at least 30 minutes or even longer for a more intense flavor. Before mixing with egg yolks, strain the cream through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids, ensuring a smooth, luxurious custard. Beyond basic spices, consider some creative flavor pairings. For a robust dessert, infuse your cream with whole coffee beans. If you prefer something more subtle and elegant, a small amount of culinary lavender buds can create a beautiful floral note. Another delightful combination is fresh orange zest with a splash of orange liqueur, adding a bright, sophisticated twist to your crème brûlée. Regardless of your chosen flavor, achieving the perfect texture is key. Always bake your crème brûlée in a water bath. This ensures even, gentle cooking and prevents curdling. The custard is ready when the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. After chilling, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar on top and caramelize it with a kitchen torch until golden brown and crisp. Enjoy your unique, delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.